Good afternoon everyone. This is your first class after internal examination and today we will continue the DBMS class. Our topic is types of relationship. There are 4 types of relationship in a DBMS structure, that is one to one many to one and many to many. In this video we will try to understand the first type of relationship, that is one to one. You can see that I have written employee and department inside a rectangle and work inside a diamond shape. So, here employee represents entity, department is also representing entity, whereas work is representing relationship. It is given that it is a one to one relationship. Now, one to one relationship, to be precise, with the help of this ER model, it could be that one employee is working under a department, or in one department there is only a single employee. I hope it is clear either way. Now, as we know that it is represented as a ER model, now we can convert it into RDBMS, okay, that is relationship database. Now, in case of relationship database, we can represent employee, that is our entity, into a particular table. We can convert the descriptions of the employee into a particular table. Okay, so now I can give the relevance or the examples like primary key, foreign key, candidate key, because all these things have already been explained in the previous class. So, our first topic is under employee. If we convert the entity employee into a table, the first thing that we will get is employee ID, then name and then age. Now, we know that name and age could be same, just like I have given the example of two Arpita in a single classroom, and it is very evident that if you are reading in a particular class, then you could be of similar age and it's very normal, right? So, in that case, the thing that will be unique or could be considered as a primary key is employee ID, okay, because employee ID is a primary key, that even if the name and age of two employees would be same, the ID will be different and we can easily identify a particular employee. So, here employee, when an employee is converted, when the entity employee is converted into a table, then we could get such informations, okay. This is table number 1. Please try to remember it and please try to explain understand it properly, okay.